A for apple. APPLE apple. Apple means save. B. B for ball. BALL ball. Ball means gend. Ball means gend. C. C for cat. CAT cat. Cat means billy. Cat means billy. D. D for dog. DOG dog. Dog means kutta. E. E for elephant. ELEPHANT elephant. Elephant means hathi. F. F for fish. FISH fish. Fish means machli. G. G for grapes. GRAPES grapes. Grapes means angur. H. H for hat. HAT hat. Hat means topi. I. I for ice cream. ICECREAM ice cream. Ice cream means ice cream. J. J for juice. JUSE juice. Juice means juice. K. K for key. KEY key. Key means चाबी. L. L for lotus. LOTUS lotus. Lotus means kamal. M. M for mango. MANGO mango. Mango means aam. N. N for notebook. NOTEBOOK notebook. Notebook means copy. O. O for owl. OWL owl. Owl means ullu. P. P for parrot. PARROT parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q. Q for queen. QUEEN queen. Queen means Rani. R. R for rabbit. RABBIT rabbit. Rabbit means खरगोश. S. S for sunflower. SUNFLOWER sunflower. Sunflower means Suryamukhi. T. T for tiger. TIGER tiger. Tiger means bagh. U. U for umbrella. UMBRELLA umbrella. Umbrella means छाता. V. V for van. VAN van. Van means गाड़ी. W. W for watch. WATCH watch. Watch means घड़ी. X. X for X-ray. XRAY X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. Y. Y for yak. YAK yak. Yak means jungly बैल. Z. Z for zoo. ZOO zoo. Zoo means चिड़ियाघर. प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल. तो मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में बच्चों. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.